What up, people? I am Crazy J. I just now started YouTube, and I'm gonna show you how to make a plane. But I have my dad right here, but he doesn't want to show his face. He's gonna help me make a plane that he made me before. I don't have it really. I broke it accidentally, and I'm gonna make a video so I can have one, and all of y'all can. So let's get into the video. So first you're going to have a clean piece of paper. So first, what do we do, Dad?
You're going to fold it like this.
Okay.
Like that. And you're going to fold it like this.
So you're going to have to make it like a
taco.
Yeah, you're going to have to make it like a taco, but has a line cut into it. And let's keep on going. Yeah. There.
And you want to fold it like this. On both sides. To where it's like that.
Okay. It might look like a little diamond, so it should be kind of like that.
And you want to take this edge, fold it again the same way. On both sides.
Then it should turn out something like this. And that's it. Oh, and make sure you subscribe. It should be right here. Wait, is it here? It should be up here. And then make sure to like, subscribe, and look for more videos on Crazy J. And see you later, bros.